Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress in Ubuntu. We'll begin by understanding the essential software components you'll need, primarily the LAMP stack: Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. I'll then detail the system requirements, ensuring your Ubuntu machine has sufficient resources, typically at least 1 GB of RAM and 10 GB of storage. Finally, we'll outline the initial steps to prepare your environment, including updating your system's package list and installing any preliminary tools. Next, we'll dive into the installation process. First, you'll install the LAMP stack, which involves running a few simple commands to get Apache, MySQL, and PHP up and running. Then, we'll download the latest WordPress archive, extract it, and place the files in the correct web server directory, typically /var/www/html. Finally, I'll guide you through creating a dedicated MySQL database and a user with appropriate privileges for your WordPress installation, a crucial step for its functionality. Now that the core components are in place, it's time for configuration. We'll navigate to your server's IP address or domain in a web browser to complete the WordPress 5-minute installation, entering your database details and site information. Following this, I'll show you how to set up permalinks for clean, search engine-friendly URLs. We'll also cover installing a few essential plugins for security and performance, and discuss basic hardening techniques to protect your new WordPress site. Finally, let's explore using and maintaining your WordPress site. I'll demonstrate how to navigate the intuitive dashboard to create new posts and pages, adding content to your site. We'll then look at customizing your site's appearance using themes and managing plugins to extend functionality. Crucially, I'll share important tips for regular maintenance, such as keeping WordPress core, themes, and plugins updated, and implementing a robust backup strategy to ensure your site remains secure and performs optimally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.